So just to begin, I'm in line to pick up the iPad mini. Everything is going to be recorded on the rear-facing cameras. It is nighttime, it's dark, so we'll see exactly how this is on the iPhone 13 Pro. So why not start the test of the camera today? So right now we're on the regular wide camera. It's nighttime. I picked up the phone this morning. We already did the review, but let's see how this does at nighttime with lights, with flares, which unfortunately are a thing with all the modern iPhone cameras. But that's all right, because it's doing really well at nighttime right now. Already, we've done cinematic mode, front and back camera, and it's just been doing great. Now, usually when I film outside, I'm either using the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 or my Canon M6 with a 16mm lens, just to make sure that I'm getting all the detail possible. Now, here's the regular wide. Here is punching in 3 times. I don't think this is gonna exactly use that lens because it's too dark. And then if we go to the ultra wide, actually this isn't too bad. We're in New York right now, so there's always gonna be light around us. So some kind of ambient light is gonna give us something. But let's see, if we point up, we still have some definition here. By the way, I am back in this extremely long line here. This is for reservations, but this is to pick up my iPad mini. I'm so glad I didn't have to wait in the line earlier today, but right now it's cool and I'm fine to be here right now. You see those light flares? That unfortunately is one reservation that I have for shooting this, not just at night, but just professionally. Right now we're trying cinematic mode. It seems to be catching so many different people. If you could see the screen that I can see, there's about 6 different boxes. Every once in a while it does catch somebody, but it says more light required, flash may help. I don't believe that it's really getting anybody right now, but I just wanted to try cinematic mode at night, kind of with ambient light on. But unfortunately, it's recognizing people. Like, it's recognizing human beings, just for whatever the fact. It is not blurring out the background. Let's see, this is pretty good light, and it is not getting that blurry background, unfortunately. There we go. Well, it got somebody right there, and it gave us that blurry background. But in a group, at a concert, this is not the thing to do. I mean, it wouldn't make sense anyway. Just wanted to try. All right, so I picked up the iPad mini. Right now we're just walking on the edge of Central Park. A walnut just hit me. But what do you think about the low light? A lot of ambient light over here, so of course it's gonna do well. More off this way, not so much. And unfortunately, I'm looking for a city bike so I can head home, but it looks like they are all disabled. I don't know if you knew, but earlier today there is something going on with the Disney store, and I think they shut down a lot of these city bikes. And also, in a separate video, I'm gonna be talking about how bad the city bike selection has been. I mean, where are all the city bikes? Where are all the electric city bikes? It's really frustrating. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Put everything in the comments section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at M8B9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. But yeah, what do you think of the low light? Now this is just dark. This is just looking into, I can't even see in there. And it can't really see either. Let's see if we can look at maybe something deeper. Can you see anything there? It does get grainy. Now this is the regular lens. If we go ultra wide, yeah, it is dark. If we go zoomed in, it's just cropping in. So right now the wide, of course, is still always the best, but it's gonna struggle in that kind of just dark, absence of light here. And let's see how it does with movement. I am holding it one-handed and just walking on the side, so we'll see. But yeah, that's it, guys. Enjoy. I'm gonna rest up, and I will see you next time. Oh, I can actually see the water better in this video than I can in real life. I can see the reflections, but I can't even, that's amazing. Okay, that's amazing. That is pretty clear. Now that's it. See you guys. All right, so we're biking. Haven't done this in a little bit. What do you think of the smoothness? I am gripping this tight with one hand to feel the bumps that I'm feeling too. Now let's see if Times Square is still closed down. Thankfully, 7th Avenue is quiet. I do just want to beat this light, and hopefully these people know how to move. Now we're smooth.